And again, I want to talk to my Igbo brothers. Igbo brothers, you guys are not really trying. You guys know the potential that you are having in yourself, and you keep messing things up. That is why the world will see the better of you. And Igbo brothers, please, anywhere you see a brother, help him. That is the number one fact. Yes, you will say there are so many help in this world. Just keep helping. Keep helping. You never know the one that will pay off, especially to your blood. To your blood. That one is a special thing connected to your blood. Apart from you guys, again, nobody else can speak that language. Isn't that blood? Think about it. Nobody else can speak that language naturally. They just came out with another language, but you alone can speak and understand deeply. That is so deep. That is blood. When we keep this unity among ourselves, the world will see us better. When the world see us better, we will raise up high and say, let's give these people a chance. That chance will be us in dying for. They will be the one pouring it on us. I assure you. I assure you. When you love your brother, you support your brother. You support him. Don't start criticizing him, telling him things that he isn't, calling him names. Yes, we all do have flaws. Even you have flaws. We all have flaws. We have where it's itching us, but come on. Hmm? Overlook those things and focus on what is better. When you overlook your flaws, you will help people. You will even be able to understand better. Nevertheless, we will keep growing. The Igbos, this is just a little understanding of mine. We will keep growing. When we started growing and when we start building ourselves, the world will see us, they will be afraid of us. Because what we have done is unimaginable.